What's up, YouTube? 2020 Dodge Charger with 392 Hemi. I'm showing you how to change the front pads and rotors today. It's got the same Brembo setup as the Hellcat has, 6 piston calipers. So make sure when you're ordering your parts, you get the right parts. You'll know because the pads are huge on these. They got a few different options. So anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. I already got the big old rotors, already got the big old pads. Let's get started. Now this spacer's on this car. I don't think that's stock. So I'm going to remove that so our rotor can come off. And next we're going to extract these pins right here that trap our pads. Take you a little 13 millimeter. Pull that out. Note the position. Alright, now we got to get these pins out of our way. Take you a little hammer action. Hit them until they're just not sticking out no more. Then I'll take something like a drill bit that I left on the other side, of course. Or I thought I did, because I already did the other side. Where did me drill bit go? Okay, well, I don't know where my drill bit went, but I also have this rivet right here that will work too. Anything that's small enough to fit in that hole. Knock your pins all the way through. Alright, now, where that drill bit went, I'm sure it'll pop up after the video. Clamp you some vice grips to your pins right there. Take you a little something, take some tension off the spring. Because these have that little hook over them. Not all of these have that. So it makes it a little harder to take tension off. So let's see if I can get. There we go. All right. Once you get the tension off one, I'm going to leave that in there like that. You have no tension on the bottom one. Notate the position of that spring. Now we got to push our pistons back. All 6 of them. No matter which one you do first, back or front. Usually what I'll do is I'll push one side back all the way. And as the rotor's flexing, it's pushing the other one back some too to give you enough space to get in there. And I'll take another screwdriver or pry bar, whatever gets in there. Keep the other side from pushing out. And I'll work the other side back, holding the other side so it doesn't push these other ones out. All right. Pull your old pads out. You definitely got the life out of those. Discard them. Now we got to take this caliper off. It's going to be, I think, a 21 or 22. 21. No, wrong size. 21. Take your 2 caliper bolts off. And I'll just leave them in there. Go ahead and reverse your gun there, or whatever tool you're using. Hopefully something strong, because those bolts are tight. Pull your old rotor off. Let me just kind of throw it over there in the pile of the old rotors. Grab your new rotor. You're probably thinking this rotor looks a little different. Yeah, it doesn't have that. I think it's a vibration dampener. Unless you want to buy them from the dealer and spend a lot more than you would aftermarket. That's on you, man. Go ahead and thread your lug nut on there to keep it from moving around while we're putting this caliper back on. All right. Go ahead and snug them down. Nice and tight. Grab your pads. Huh? Yeah, because I'm doing a video. When I do videos, I'm quick.
You're trying to shove that in backwards, and that's why it's not fitting?
Yeah, because you're over here harassing me. Go away. That's what happens when people talk to you. So I'm at the new location. I transferred to the same company, just a new location. And everybody's learning me. Grab your spring action here. Go ahead and put the bottom one in first. Don't matter, the pin is the same top and bottom. All right. Your other pin. Putting tension on it. Get your pins so they're seated all the way. Like that. Now last but not least, make sure this is square. See what I'm saying? If you turn it that way, it's not going to seat all the way. Make sure it's nice and square. Put your 13 back in. Just like that, man. Make sure you take your lug nut off. There's nothing more aggravating than when you lift your wheel to hang it. And you got to put the heavy wheel back down on the ground because you left the lug nut on it. Straighten your wheel up, put your wheel on, do your little torquing. I think it's maybe 140, 150 on this. I don't know, that's on you. Pump up your brake pedal, take it for a test drive, make sure everything's good. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all found it informative. Y'all please check like as always and subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.